I'm Dave. This is my cooking channel. If you have not subscribed, please pound that subscribe button, hit the bell for the notifications, and a like. We need a like. No thumbs down. Somebody did that. I don't know who you are. With Labor Day coming up, you know, everybody's gonna be doing all the cookouts, and you know what? People love burgers. And you can get one of those shitty ass frozen burgers that I'm questioning if it's even beef, or you can make something delicious like a jalapeno burger, stuffed burger. Thanks. Alright, first, gonna make the patties. You're gonna start off with hamburger. Get the fatty stuff. Once again, this is 80-20. You want that to be fat. You need eggs. Just straight from my chickens. I call them butt nuggets. You need about 1 egg yolk per pound of beef, and we only want the egg yolks. Alright. Use this. So separate it. Crack the egg. Back and forth. Shell, and that's how you separate an egg yolk. Throw it in the mix. I'm going to do pepper, salt, garlic, and just a little bit of mesquite seasoning. And mix it together. You don't want to over mix it. Meat will become tough, so you just do a quick mix. Good. Make into a big ball. Alright, next we're going to make the stuffing, or the cream cheese filling in the middle. You need to have softened cream cheese. This is about a little more than 1/4 of a block. I'm only making 2 burgers with it, so you don't really need that much. Once again, mesquite seasoning, just a little bit. And it's gonna be a Colby Jack and cheddar mix, a handful, not too much. Just mix it up. Maybe a little bit more mesquite seasoning in here. We're all done with that, and let's make the patties. So this is, like I said, 1.5 pounds of ground beef. So you want big burgers, you don't want any bitch burgers. All right, so we're gonna try to make 2 big burgers for me and the wife, and then the kids are gonna have smaller burgers. Let's see. They're not having stuffed burgers. They look about equal, these 2. Which one's wicked bigger? This one? Alright. Okay, just get them into balls. What I'm gonna do is form them. Just want to take off some. Alright, flatten them out. I'm going to kind of do like a divot in the middle. Like that. Oh, I forgot to say why I put the egg yolks in. So, put the egg yolk in, it helps bind the burger together so they don't break up on the grill when you're flipping them. These are going to be small burgers. It'll make them way bigger. Okay. Get some of this cream cheese. And you don't want to put too much in here. I made them once and we put a little bit too much and a little too cheesy. Good. You put the layer on top. The cap. Good. You kind of want to make it so there's no flat edges on the side because those will burn while the rest is still cooking. There you go. All right. That's one. Make another. Okay. Put the top on. These are amazing. No skinny sides. And good. Now I'll just make these for the kids. Alright. It's 4 patties all done.
Yeah, the cricket.
Yeah, there's gonna be tons of noise. Tons of noise in the background. We need to sell our house and go to a country farm. Important, you gotta make sure that you preheat the grill. You're looking for around, I do between 400 to, let's say 375, 450 for burgers. You don't want the heat too high because then the burgers are gonna shrink too much and burn. So with these things, it's very important to make sure you burp it first, because the last time I didn't, I almost caught my arm on fire. So what we're gonna do is just gonna toss the jalapenos on here and roast them up. And we're also gonna melt some butter. Don't really know what's gonna happen when we put this, you know, glass container on here, but yes, we'll see. We'll see. So, jalapeno's been cooking for a few minutes. Cricket finally, you know, settled down, kind of like my sex life. But, you know. So let's check on the jalapeno. All right. Ooh, that butter's boiling. I should wait a little bit for the butter. I'm gonna add some garlic to that butter. Oh, I just got it on my toe. Okay. Woo. Let's check them out. Nice. Nice. Very nice. Okay. It's time to add the burgers. Just gonna add these 2 for now. The other burgers, you know, they're so much smaller, they're gonna cook really fast. Stir this one more time. Oh, fuck, that's hot. Oh, my eyes are watering. Okay. It's been a minute or 2. Of course, there's a freaking plane going overhead. Let's check on the burgers. These peppers, oh, fuck, are about done. Yeah, maybe a little more for this way. These half ones are all done. Take those off. Oops, hit the burger. All right, we're gonna let this guy cook a little more. Let's take the butter off. Just trying to heat it up. I don't know how the fuck I'm gonna get this thing off, but all right. Yeah. There we go. Burgers on. Burp it. See if these guys are ready. I'm gonna turn them. Show you the opposite hand. Turn. Okay. Let's check them out. Woo. Oh yeah. Flip. These little guys. That little bastard making all this damn noise. We're filming. Don't you know we're filming? See if a burger's done. Let's press on it a little bit. This guy's pretty done. That guy shrunk up a lot. Okay, I'll cheese it up. These guys I'm going to flip them back over. We're going to put the cheese on the other side since all this cheese is leaking out. Okay. So we're using brioche rolls. Good. Butter them up real quick. Set. These guys are all set. Let's take this little fella off. Perfect. Close the lid for a second. I made these burgers before, had no mayonnaise on it, but you know what? I think this time we're gonna make them better. So we have maybe quarter to third a cup of mayonnaise here. Get some fresh cilantro. Okay. Good. A little bit of pepper. A little salt. Ooh, that's a lot of salt. The juice. Half a lime. And we start. Right, let's build this burger. So we got our garlic bread. Garlic toasted? Garlic butter toasted? Brioche bun? Yeah, that's good.
Garlic butter toasted, yes.
Alright, so add some of this cilantro lime mayonnaise to the bottom. And one of these burgers. This one's gonna be mine. Completely forgot the jalapenos. Kind of like, you know, the star in this burger. Okay. Good. Just want to put some of these on top. Just a little, not too much. Now it's done. For the other burger, just to show you how to cut these real quick. And here's your choice. You can either leave the seeds in there or take them out. Same thing, but just leave some of them in there if you want a little spicier, like I said. You want to keep that vein in there. And same thing. Good? All right, burger's all done. Let's put the lid on. The little fella. Ah, yeah, look at that. Smells delicious. Cut it in half. Burger, cream cheese, cheddar cheese, jalapenos, and a, what is it, lime cilantro mayo, cilantro, yes. All right, let's give it a try. Very delicious. Not too spicy with the jalapenos. Cheese is super melty. Oh yeah. All right, have a good weekend.